Hi, my name is Bennett Kennedy with the Jason Glass Group and the Phyllis Browning Company, and I'm here today to tell you about a fantastic new live water property that is going to be coming on the market in the next few days. Homestead on Verde Creek. This 38.6 acre property just outside of Centerpoint has the makings of a fantastic weekend retreat for somebody coming out of San Antonio, Boerne, Kerrville, or Fredericksburg. This property is beautiful, has 1,700 linear feet of Verde Creek. You have both sides of the creek, so you have the ability to gain access to the water. A nice, productive, about 11 acre hayfield out in front. This beautiful, renovated 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. Well, tractor, barn, comes fully furnished. When we say turnkey, this place is turnkey. One of my favorite aspects of this property is the beautiful Verde Creek that flows through the property. This property has both sides of the creek, 1,700 linear feet of Verde Creek as it comes through. Beautiful cypress trees and mature oaks all the way down. The creek is shallow and then comes down and drops off into this nice 6-7 foot deep hole. Beautiful place to come out, set up sunshade, and just enjoy the afternoon. One of the interesting things about this property is you have a productive coastal field, about 10 or 11 acres out here. They typically get about 3 cuts a year, good revenue generator, and a beautiful pasture to look out over. Above me right up here, there's a big bluff that looks down over the coastal field and comes down looking into Verde Creek. Beautiful place for home sites. If you're looking for a beautiful turnkey property close to San Antonio, Kerrville, Boerne, Fredericksburg, this property is fantastic. It has this gorgeously restored 3-bedroom, 1-bath home built in the early 1800s. They've come through, completely renovated the home, added on some additional square footage, but it maintains the beauty of the architecture with great stonework inside. Come see it.